look at all these female carpenter bees together. Not fighting over territory at all. There's a bunch of them. There's honeybees, a bunch of female carpenters. My daughter just literally, oh look, there's one down there too. My daughter literally just booped this one twice. Once on the face, and then right where that black dot is in her orange or her yellow fuzz. She didn't care until she kept her finger there, then she cared. Look at all of them. Just wait. They're everywheres. Just wait. Lots of pollinators. Don't fall, ma'am. Oh, wait. Sorry, thought I had it on them. Look at them all. They're literally everywhere. And they're all girls right now. Even these little ones are girls. The boys have, on the carpenter bees especially, the boys actually have a little square, perfect little square of yellow on their face. Boys do not have stingers. Hello, ma'am. Look at the difference between them. I think the little one might be a morning glory bee. But that big old girl right there, them biggins, those are carpenters, I think. Carpenter bees. With the big, shiny, black, shiny butts. Sorry, I had a bug on my wrist. Everything is so crunchy because it hasn't rained in over a month. We'll come back here where we can see little fellers. Well, hello, honeybees. Lots of honeybees and carpenter bees. They even sleep on these flowers.